In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Monzo account to Xero, making your financial management simpler and more efficient. Let's get started by opening up the Xero website. Once you're logged in, you'll want to head straight to the Accounting tab. This is where you'll find all the essential tools you need for managing your business finances within Xero. Now go ahead and click on Bank Accounts. This section is crucial because it's where we'll be adding and connecting your Monzo account. You'll see an option that says Add Bank Account. Click on that to proceed. At this point, you can manually add your Monzo account details into Xero. Doing this will allow Xero to automatically fetch your bank transactions and reflect them in your financial reports. In the field that asks for your bank's name, you'll want to type in Monzo. This is important to ensure Xero recognizes the connection you're trying to establish. Next, you'll need to enter your account name. This can be anything you like, but it's best to choose something that clearly identifies your account, especially if you have multiple accounts linked to Xero. It could be as simple as Monzo Business Account or a name that suits your particular setup. Following this, you'll be prompted to select the account type. Here, you should choose the type that best describes your Monzo account, whether it's a personal current account, a business account, or something else. Selecting the correct account type helps Xero categorize your financial data correctly, which is vital for accurate report generation. Then, it's time to select the currency. Depending on how you use your Monzo account, this could be in your local currency or another, like euros or dollars. Ensure you select the currency that matches your bank account to prevent any discrepancies in your financial reports. Once you've input all these details, the bank name, the account type, and the currency, you're ready to add your account. Simply click Add Account to finalize the process. This action establishes the connection between Xero and your Monzo account, enabling the automatic transfer of your bank transactions into Xero's system. And that's it. Just like that, you've connected your Monzo account to Xero. With this integration, you'll enjoy streamlined handling of your financial data, making it easier to keep track of expenses, income, and all other important financial details. Remember, accurate data entry is essential to ensure your financial reports are reliable and useful. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process simple and straightforward for you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.